In today's video, I'll show you how to link Dropbox Sign with your email so you can send signature requests along with other documents. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox website. Log into the Dropbox account where your documents are stored. Once logged in, locate the file you want to share. Hover over the file and click the Share option. From there, copy the shareable link. Repeat this step for any additional documents you want to include with the email. Next, open Dropbox Sign and log into your account. Find the document you want to send for signature and open it in the signing editor. If needed, add your signature by typing it, drawing it, or uploading an image of your handwritten signature. After reviewing the document, click Next to move to the Send screen. This is where you'll compose the email for the signer. In the message field, paste the Dropbox links you copied earlier so the recipient can access the additional documents. Double check the email details, then send the document for signature. That's it. You've successfully linked Dropbox Sign with your email and included other documents in the same message, making it easier for recipients to review everything at once. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped streamline your document workflow.